Good morning. I'm going to do a week in my life. Typically, I don't post these kinds of things because a week in my life is really not at all exciting. I kind of stare at a screen most of the day because I do have a full-time job, so that's not really fun for you to watch and see. This week is going to be a little bit different because this is my birthday week. I am turning 60 this week, and so there's a few special things thrown in there, including a trip at the end of the week that I'm really excited about. So hang with me for a week in my life. All right, so it's day one of my birthday week and we're headed to church Sunday. We're gonna start the week off on Sunday. We're gonna start it off right by going to church. So here's day one of my birthday week.
Against Moses. We want a new leader that'll take us back to Egypt.
Yeah, we're buying some salmon or some steelhead for a dinner we're having with our Connect group tomorrow night. Just here at Costco, picking it out.
All right, it's Monday morning. Just stepped out for my morning super early walk. A moon. But this is Monday morning, really early walk. I'm usually out by 5:30 or 6. And then we'll hit the shower and get ready and start working. It is Monday night, and that's our Connect group night. So people come to my house and we make dinner. People bring things and I'll make something. Sometimes I'll make the main, sometimes not, but tonight I'm making a roasted salmon, and I'm going to kind of use my maple gochujang recipe, and I discovered at the last minute that I was out of maple syrup, so I'm using honey and gochujang that I just kind of mixed together. Look at this big honkin' salmon that I got at Costco. So a little bit of salt, oh, almost forgot pepper, a little bit of pepper, and then I just coat it with the gochujang. I have butternut squash roasting in the oven, and I also have some asparagus. I have a little bit of the cranberry icebox pie from Thanksgiving left over, and I know one of the gals is bringing the bread, and then I don't know what some of my other friends will bring, but they always bring a lot, and I have a little goat cheese app to put out, simply goat cheese with fig preserve and some crackers. So just a little light nibble so that they have something to kind of snack on while we're chatting and dinner is finishing up. But Monday nights are always great. We have a good time together. And we just meet from 6 to 8, so I kick everybody out before I get overly tired because I'm a super early to bed kind of gal because I get up very, very early. So, ooh, yum, yum, yum. This is going to be really good and not too spicy because I know not everybody can handle heat. So gochujang, mildly spicy, but man, does it have a lot of flavor. This will go into the oven probably for 15 to 20 minutes at 400. And I'm just kind of letting it come to room temp because, like almost any protein, you don't want to throw it in the oven really cold, especially salmon. It gets like those little white bubbles on it. That's because the protein's too cold and it kind of shocks it in the oven, and you don't want that. So this should be perfect. I'll put it in a little bit. It's Tuesday, just wrapped up the morning workout. It's really cold. It's like 30 degrees. Tomorrow it's gonna be even colder. I might be inside on the treadmill.
So this is the first time I've used bitter melon like the man at the Asian restaurant told us. And so I stir-fried it with pineapple, ham, and quinoa. So I have to give it a try.
It looks pretty.
Interesting. Should still have a little bit of a crunch. I parboiled it. I'm going to saute it. But I thought with the salty ham and the sweet pineapple, that might be a good combination. So what's the verdict?
Very pungent.
Okay.
Very pungent.
All right. I'm interested to try this myself. Is it good with everything else? Does it balance it out?
Good is subjective.
He's always honest. All right, so day 4 of my birthday week, and we are headed to, to Cotton Calf to eat with Alana and Zach. Where are you? There you are. And Tim. And Brazelton has, it's all lit up. So pretty. Very pretty.
Yeah, you get a whole big stack, a large starting stack, and it's a real long term.
Happy birthday to you.
So we just pulled up at our little cabin for the weekend. And this is so adorable. Cute, cute, cute. And you're cute too.
Welcome.
Little kitchen. Oh, nice. I love this. We're in North Carolina. So it's a 1-bedroom, 2-bath. This will be for if Brittany and little Rowan join us for the weekend. We'll see. Mom and Pa get to sleep here. All right. Very nice.
Alright, so I have made a lemon pepper snapper for you. With a little
great.
salad and some roasted carrots that has sumac on it.
Looks awesome.
Yeah, and we're having it in this beautiful little cabin with the
Yeah.
rushing creek outside, all the mountain laurel everywhere around us. I gotta taste this.
What a nice getaway.
Very nice. That was quite tasty.
Carrots are awesome.
Now I'm gonna try the snapper. We looked for trout, but they told us they were out of trout, and Tim didn't catch any in the stream. So, snapper it was.
It's good.
Yeah, this is quite delicious. Okay, so we've had a rather nice weekend up here in the mountains.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a little cheers, baby.
Cheers.
To you.